Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget kitchen. Today I'm making slow cooker unstuffed chicken cordon bleu, and I'm using my Cocitone 6-quart slow cooker. This slow cooker was sent to me for my fair and honest review, but this is not a sponsored video. It comes with a locking tempered glass lid, a 6-quart insert, and a digital base. It has 3 settings: high, low, and keep warm. You can set it to cook from 30 minutes to 20 hours, and once your food is done cooking, it automatically switches to keep warm. Alright, let's get started on this recipe. So I have 8 chicken breasts. You don't need this many, but I'm making enough to last a couple days so I don't have to cook the next day. And I am seasoning the chicken breasts on both sides with salt, pepper, granulated garlic, and granulated onion. Once the chicken is seasoned, it's time to wrap it in some deli ham. Now, I'm using the prepackaged ham, and in hindsight, I should have used fresh ham from the grocer's deli, so I would have larger slices. But hey, sometimes you just gotta work with what you got. Now it's time to work on my sauce. I've got 1 cup of better than bouillon chicken flavored, and I'm using 2 heaping tablespoons of cornstarch, but I'm adding them in 1 tablespoon at a time so it's not too lumpy. Once the cornstarch is added and mixed in thoroughly, I added in 4 heaping tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Now I'm adding in about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Now I'm going to season it up with some dried thyme, kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Give it a nice little stir, and now it's time to add in the chicken. Now this is going to be a tight fit because I am making so much, but I made it work. Once I stuffed the unstuffed chicken into the pot, see what I did there? I locked the lid and I set it to cook on low for 2 hours. This is what the chicken looked like once it was done cooking. I did use a thermometer to check the internal temperature. Now at this point you would add Swiss cheese to the top and place the lid back on until it was melted. But since my family was eating at different times, I placed each breast on a foil covered baking sheet, topped it with Swiss cheese, and then set it in my Blvd oven under the broiler. Once the cheese was melted, I topped it with a little dried parsley and it was ready to go. This was a nice, simple dinner, all done in the slow cooker. It was accompanied by some slow cooker glazed carrots. I'll have a link to that recipe down below. And I also made some slow cooker collard greens with smoked turkey. That recipe will be down below as well. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It is greatly appreciated. And if you're here and you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and click that little bell so you know when I upload my next video. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!